You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word once and for all correctly. If you want to learn more correctly pronounced words in English, all sorts of vocabulary, stay tuned. We've got them all, including the most confusing ones at the end of the video. Redress. Both British and American English pronunciations are similar here. Re, a short re sound, and then dress. Redress as in dressing again. You undressed and you dress again, alright? You put some clothes back on. Redress. Some may pronounce it as redress, okay? Which may be more or less correct, but generally redress. Redress. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.